How to use pen tool in Photopea. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be putting you through how you can use pen tool in Photopea. So how can you use pen tool in Photopea? It is very simple. Just follow me as I show you how to do so in this video. The first step is to log in into your Photopea account. Once you've logged in, select the project that you'd like to work on. Once you've selected the project you'd like to work on and you're brought to the canvas page, the next step at this point is to move over to the left side of the screen where you can see some icons. The pen icon is located here, so you can just locate it. It is located below type tool and then above path select. So once you've selected the pen tool, the box will be displayed. In the box displayed, you can see that there are different kind of pen. All right, there is the pen, the actual pen tool, there is the free pen tool, and then there is the curvature pen. Now, to use this, you can just select pen. Those you selected pen, at top part of the screen, you can edit this the way you want. And then the next step is just to draw out what you want to draw. All right, yeah, this way, just draw it out like that. And then if for you to use the second type of pen, this is free pen. I would advise you use this free pen because it allows you to draw easily, or like the other pen too. All right, you can just draw anything you want this way without having to follow a strict method. And then lastly, you have the curvature pen. All right, as the name implies, it's used to create curves or to change images to curves. So you just have to use the one that suits you, the one that serves your purpose more. Okay, so this is basically how to use pen tool in Photopea. I hope the tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.